In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently record and apply vendor credits in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for keeping your business financials in perfect sync and ensuring that all transactions are accounted for accurately. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser. In this case, we'll use Chrome. Type in the QuickBooks Online URL, and from there, enter your email and password in the designated fields to access your account. It's important to ensure that you have the correct login details ready, as this will save you time and help you avoid any access issues. Once you're logged in, it's time to access the vendor credit section. You'll start by finding the plus new button, which is conveniently located in the left-hand menu of the QuickBooks dashboard. Click on this button and you'll see a list of options. Under the vendor section, go ahead and select vendor credit. This is where you'll enter all the relevant details of your vendor credit. Next, you'll need to select the vendor issuing the credit. It's crucial that you choose the correct vendor to ensure that the credit is attributed to the right account. Once you've selected the vendor, enter the credit date. This date typically matches the date found on the vendor's credit memo, so make sure you have that information handy. If you have a reference number from the vendor's credit memo, you can enter it in the optional field to keep your records even more precise and organized. Now let's move on to entering the credit details. Here, you'll need to fill out the category or account field, or specify the items to which the credit applies. It's important to make sure that this section is filled out accurately so that the credit is applied where it belongs. Don't forget to enter the exact amount of the credit. If you'd like, you can also add a memo or any pertinent notes for future reference. This step is optional but can be extremely helpful for clarity. Once you've entered all the necessary information, you'll have two saving options. If you've finished entering vendor credits, click Save and Close to finalize the entry. However, if you have additional vendor credits to enter, you can select Save and New, allowing you to smoothly move on to the next transaction without losing momentum. With your vendor credit recorded,